at time t. First, what is the constraint equation? 3xb, 3vb equal to 2va. That's all. No? So there's a constraint equation. Already have come across this. There's a relation between the speeds. Change in length of this part of strings. So it should be equal to change in length of these two, no? This will be, so the change in length of these three strings will be
Sir,
corresponding
it
for
is
displacement of,
2VB equal to 3VA.
Yes, sir, it is 2VB equals 3VA.
okay, we'll do one thing. This is the, I'm taking this one. Okay, this is some symbol. 2VB equal to 3VA. Yeah. Change in length of this part of strings will be corresponding to displacement of block A. Change in length of these two corresponds to displacement of block B. Now, so when you apply power P, what are the forces that will be acting on the system? Nothing but we applied a power means, what does it mean? Okay, let's come over here. Okay, there's a diagram. So let's check all the things. Okay, so some of you still asking doubt. Okay, sir, how it has become. So what is the, this will be XB, XB, this is XA, this is XA, this is XA, no? So 3XA equal to 2XB. Differentiating that, we'll get the expression for that one. Even we can write for acceleration. So now when you apply this force, will there be any tension? Nothing but I applied a power means nothing but I'm applying some force. So here tension T will be acting. So this tension here 2T, this will be 2T. So velocity of the blocks, let this be VA, let this be VB. How to break up, means how to analyze what actually going on. So power also, can we write like a P1 minus P2, means like a two powers are acting on a body, P1, P2, the net power, resultant power, P1 minus P2. Can we write like this? Say, what do you mean by power? Power means nothing but some force. Are you getting, no? It is like nothing but some force here, and there's a velocity. So F1 into V will be power, F2 into V will be the other power, that one. Able to make it out? I'm trying to generalize the situation. Okay, no. So let the velocity of the block, this will be. So what is the power P minus 3T into speed of the block A should be equal to F into V you are going to write, no? So how to write this equation? Like earlier what we wrote, power equal to F into V. So the resultant power, what shall we write in this way? Tension set up by this. So there's a power P, external force, and there's a tension. So the resultant, what happened, F into V will write it. So this will be minus 3T VA. Further F, what you can write, MAV. Time being, yeah. This acceleration what? You can write dVA by dt.
Sir, it should be 2m AVA.
2m, mass 2m. Okay, this one. So this you further simplify mathematically. This VA, P by VA minus 3T. This will integrate, we'll get the speed of the block as a function of time, but we don't know the tension, no? We should have some information of tension. Or first of all, is this equation what we generated is correct? So this is some sort of like external force. Power means say like some force, force into velocity is what? They'll be acting different. A constant power is what I applied it. So we end up this one. But again, the T is something what? Tension, what we assumed it. Okay, come to the right hand side. We'll see that. Just a discussion type. Nobody will ask you anything. Just a discussion type here. So what is it? Like a 2T power acting. So can we divide this power as nothing to do? No. Here, what is a 2T is equal to? So 2T should be equal to acceleration of the block 3m into AB. This you are going to write dV by dt. So this will be 2 by so here we don't know this tension. Is it a constant or it will also vary with the time because the force which is acting, how it will be. Then so this tension, will it be a constant? Definitely I should say no, that one. The tension is also a function of time. If that is available, then we can manage here. That's why I see we don't have any much numericals related to like this. Hardly any book is there. Only when you refer some higher mechanical engineering books, no, they need what is the nature of force, what you apply. If you know it, then you can predict the tension. Then from there you can manage it here. They may test you with some questions of these kind. They'll not ask mathematics. A constant power acts, what can be the tension in the string? In fact, it will be variable. It all depends upon the power, how we define that. Constant power is how we define